Hey guys, today we're gonna be making a cool menu hover effect. We're gonna have 4 links here that are gonna have a white color, and then if we hover over a specific link, only that one is gonna keep the white color, and all of the rest are gonna animate and switch to something different. And if we hover another text, that's gonna fill the text and switch to white color as well. And it's gonna work for all of them. And then if we just hover here somewhere, it's gonna go back to default, so we can just click on or hover any specific link and it's just gonna do the same thing here. So we're only gonna need a bit of HTML and CSS here. I have my index HTML with just a basic template and then style CSS, which is empty. And I have it open here with live server, so we can start making that. So the first thing we're gonna have here is we're gonna add an UL, then we're gonna have an li and an anchor link inside of that. And we can just add hashtag slash because this link is not gonna go anywhere. And we're gonna write home here. And then we can copy this 3 more times. Then this next one is gonna be about. Then we're gonna have projects and contact here. So now we see them here. So then if we wanna select all of these, we can click here and then Control, Alt and down arrow, and we can select all of them. And we're gonna add an attribute called data-text. And we're gonna set that equal to this name we have inside our anchor link. So this one is gonna be home. This is about. Then we have projects. And last one is contact. So that's not gonna change anything else right now, but we're gonna target that in CSS later. So this is gonna be all the HTML we're gonna have. And then here we can link our CSS as well. So now if we switch to our CSS, first we're going to target all the elements and remove some styles. We're going to add a box sizing of border box. We're going to set the margin to 0, padding to 0 as well, and we're going to have font family of sans serif. Then under that we can target our body. We're going to make it full height, so min height 100 VH. We're going to add a background. Just going to be some type of gray background, gray blue. And we're also going to display flex here, just so we can center the links on the page. Then under that we can target UL, and this UL is just going to have a single thing, which is going to be margin auto, just to center them completely on the page here. And we can make this a bit smaller so you guys can see them. So then the next thing we have is li, which is inside UL, so we can do UL li here. We're going to have list style, none, so we can remove the dots. We're going to have font size of 80 pixels, and we're going to add a bit of margin and pixel 0, so just top and bottom. And then under that we're going to target our anchor link, which is inside li, so we're going to do UL li a. And then here we want to remove the underline, so we're going to do text decoration, set that to none first. We're going to add a color, that's going to be RGBA, and we're going to have 0, 0, 0, and 0.3. Font weight of bold. And we're also going to make this position relative. So now under that, we're going to target this same thing. So it's going to be UL li a, but we're going to add before. And when we use before, we need a content. And for this content, we're going to use an attribute. That's the one we made inside HTML. So this one that we added right here. So data-text. So we can use that here. Data-text. Then we also need to make it position absolute. We're going to make it a width of 100% and a color of white. So now all of them are completely white here. And we're also going to add some transitions. So we're going to have transition. Let's do 700 milliseconds, ease in, out. So right now everything's still the same. But then under that, we're going to target UL. So once we have our UL, we're going to target our anchor link and then before. And we're just going to set the width to 0. And then the final thing here we're gonna target li on hover now instead of ul. So if we do ul li on hover, and we're gonna target our anchor link again, and then before, and we're gonna add a width of 100%. So if we go back here to our before, we forgot to add something. So here under the color, we're gonna add an overflow of hidden. So if we save that and come here, we hover home, you can see them being animated and changing color. If we hover about, that one is gonna be selected, so it's gonna have a white color, and all the rest are gonna be this color right here, that's RGBA. And we can do that for every single one. And then once we select the next one, the previous one is going to animate backwards, as you see here, or if we just let go. And that's going to be it for this final project. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.